Hi Year 3, it's Miss Hill here, so I'm going to talk you through today's maths lesson. So it's Wednesday today, and we are going to carry on using the formal written method to find out the answers to our calculations today. So just like Monday and Tuesday, can you use the same method, okay, as we have been. So today I want to, not that I can hear you, but I'm wanting you, as you talk your way through the calculations, to use the famous saying, if I know that da da da, then I know that da da da, okay? So just make sure you're using your knowledge of number facts. Okay, making sure before we start, how you've written it on your page. So make sure that all your ones are together. So you're creating columns, and then all your tens are together. And then if you have any hundreds, obviously make sure they're in the correct place too. Okay, so we're gonna have a little think about this first question. I've got two other calculations to show you too, and we are going to be multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number today, and we'll be regrouping in both the ones column and the tens column, so in multiple columns today. So let's make a start. So we're going to multiply first of all 7 by 5, okay. If you're not sure, then you could count in 5s on your fingers. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I place 35. 35 has 5 ones and 3 tens. So I need to place the 3 tens in the tens column, okay, underneath. Then I need to multiply 6 by 5, okay, 60 by 5, okay. So if I know that 6 times 5 is 30, because I just did 7 times 5, okay, then I know that 60 times 5 is 300, okay, but I have an extra 30 to add, so I have now 33 tens, which is the same as 330, so I don't need to write, okay, my extra hundreds here, okay, because I don't have any hundreds to multiply by, so I can place the answer straight in the answer box, okay, just like yesterday. Okay, I don't need to write that I have 300 down here and then place it up here, okay. I'm going to write it straight into my answer box, okay. So I have add 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33, which is 33 tens, which is the same as 330, okay. Okay, let's look at the next question. Right, so you've got 39 and we're multiplying it by 4. Okay, make sure your ones all together or your tens all together, and if you have any hundreds, make sure they're in the correct column too. Right, so we're going to start with the ones, so 9 times 4. So I know that 10 times 4 is 40, so 4 less than that is 36. So I put 6 in the ones column, and I place my 3 tens under the tens column, okay, because I've had to regroup my ones for tens. Then I need to work out 3 times 4, so 3, 6, 9, 12, or if you know your 4 times table really well, 4, 8, 12, okay, and then I've got to add 3 more, okay. So if I know that 3 times 4, okay, is 12, then I know that 30 times 4 is 120, plus 3 tens, so 130, 140, 150, which is the same as 15 tens. I can then write, okay, that I have 156 straight into the answer box, okay. I don't need to write that I had an extra 100 here and then place it up here, okay, because I have no hundreds to multiply by. Okay, at any point before I write these down, you could pause the video and you could have a go yourself and see if you get the same answer as me. So 46 this time, and we're multiplying it by 8. Okay, making sure that I've got all my ones together and all my tens together, and if I have any hundreds, then they're in the correct columns. So what I need to do first is I need to multiply 6 by 8, okay? I don't know my times tables very well, so I'm going to count in 8s, okay? Now, I know a number fact that's close to that, so I know 8 times 5 really well because I know my 5 times table really well. So 8 times 5 is 40, plus another 8 is 48, so 6 times 8 is 48. So 48 has 8 ones, okay, and 4 tens. So I place the extra tens in the tens column underneath my tens column here, okay. Then I need to do 4 times 8, okay. If I know 4 times 8 is 32, then I know that 40 times 8, okay, is 320. Plus, I need to add another 4, an extra 4 tens. Okay, so 4 times 8 is 32, plus 4 is 36. That's 36 tens, which is 360. So 46 multiplied by 8 is 368. Okay, so what you need to remember is you need to remember that you're multiplying the ones first, okay? So you need to multiply this number by this number first, and then you're going to have extra tens today. Okay, so you're going to have to regroup your ones and you're going to place your extra tens down here. And don't forget, you must count them, okay, when you're working out the next part. So then you're going to multiply this number, which is a tens number, by a single digit number here, okay, and you can use your number facts here. So if I know that 4 times 8, okay, is 32, then I know that 40 times 8 is 320, okay, and then you need to make sure you add any extra tens, okay, and then you don't need to write down any extra hundreds that you have. You can place it straight in the answer box because you don't have any hundreds, okay, to multiply by, okay. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please email us. Thank you. Take care. Bye.